right, it's time now for better food. The kind of food that you can boost your immunity is right here in front of us, Kara.
Yes, we have pan potatoes from Popovers in Simsbury, and we've got great food, but we really, all of us are sniffling, getting colds, and you're starting out with a smoothie that has locally made elderberry syrup. Why is this so magical?
The elderberry has so many antioxidants in it, and it's great for boosting your immunity. So a lot of people these days are taking elderberry, like the gummies, and having a teaspoon of it. So we're putting it in everything, salad dressing, smoothies.
And this one is made here locally.
It's made in Haddam, Connecticut, yeah.
Which is incredible.
So great.
Who knew
Okay.
that?
How do we get started with this immune-boosting smoothie?
Okay, so the smoothie has a banana. It's already in there.
Yep.
Handful of raspberries, which are great for your immune
Use a
system.
spoon, just so I'm not using totally
C.
my fingers, but yeah, I love raspberries, so nice and generous in there. Okay.
Absolutely. 2 dates.
2 dates.
Pitted?
They're pitted, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
That whole cup of almond milk.
Almond milk. Okay.
That's the secret ingredient.
Yep.
Go. You're going to take just like a good glug of the elderberry syrup.
And this is fine. I've tasted it before the show.
Yeah.
You can just take a teaspoon of this
You
yourself.
should every day. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
And then just a
Glug, glug.
small spoonful of Greek yogurt.
Okay.
With the probiotics, that also helps you.
Plain Greek yogurt.
Yeah, plain Greek yogurt, just a little bit, not too much.
Is that too much?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that, maybe?
Yep, just like that. And just open up that honey. This is a local honey that we use from Simsbury, from Hilltop Apiaries. It's really good when using honey if you can do it as local as possible.
Okay, I'm gonna use that spoon again, just to be
that's
careful,
fine.
all right? And then we put it in there, nice,
Yeah,
depending on how much you like, right? Sweeten to taste.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then you're just going to zip that up, and you've got
This
an
is one of those
elderberry
ninja
smoothie.
blenders, right?
The magic bullet.
Oh, the magic bullet. Okay, so magic bullet, these are great for individual smoothies.
Exactly.
Just pop it in here,
Yep.
okay? All
Press
right.
down and
That's
mix
it?
it up. Yep. There you go.
My blender works, Scott!
It's so easy.
Okay, Scott has he's PTSD with me in blenders.
I know.
Oh, really?
Exactly.
Did you have them fly off?
Yes, we did.
I've had that happen.
All
right, so
we're gonna
that's
move on.
delicious.
We're moving on to
Yeah.
this.
Delicious. Yes. So over here we have an immunity boosting salad. We start with a base of spinach.
Okay.
Always try to get the organic baby spinach. So if you want to put some of that in your bowl, and you can do this all with your hands.
We've got about a minute.
Okay. We've got a ginger roasted sweet potato.
Okay.
Can
ginger,
yeah, just throw it in there.
Okay.
Ginger and sweet potatoes, really great for the immune system.
Broccoli.
Broccoli that is
Which has
cooked
been-
with turmeric.
Turmeric, and it's been roasted?
It's been roasted, olive oil, turmeric, very simple. You can do all these things like prep them up.
Okay.
Roasted garlic.
Roasted garlic.
Yep. Keeps the vampires away, so it's going to keep the coronavirus away.
Okay, good.
Clementines.
Clementines.
A lot of vitamin C there. Some broccoli sprouts, which is a superfood, should be on everything. Sunflower seeds. And then we have an elderberry dressing. So this is just elderberry and olive oil, white wine vinegar, and honey.
That's beautiful.
And you can just pour
And
that
this is,
right over the top.
so many beautiful ideas if you're doing something at home, just making a bowl, but we can get these immunity boosting foods right at Popovers in Simsbury.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, this smoothie is really good. Here, Scott, she made one for you too.
Thank you so much for coming in.
Oh, you're so
So
welcome.
if you've got a
Love being here.
cold, head over there because Pam will make you some beautiful. The Popover Bistro and Bakery is on Hot Meadow Street in Simsbury. Website is popoversimsbury.com.